Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook page quality problem. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So sometimes the problem is because this new AI detection from Facebook is trying to detect if pages are basically AI slop or not. In order to defend yourself from this checking, you can go ahead and identify yourself and make sure that you verify that you are indeed a real user and a real human being controlling this page. You can do so by clicking on the top three dots on the top left side where it says Facebook. And then from here, once you click on that, then you're going to go onto settings and privacy and click on settings. Now from here in the settings section, you can then go ahead and click on search settings. And then from here, you can go ahead and click on identity confirmation. Once you search that, you can see right here in the account center, identity confirmation is the first option. Click on that. And once you click on that, it's going to show you to Meta, and you can see right here identity confirmation, and you can click on confirm your identity. And you can do that by running ads or protect your account and everything from that. And so you're going to click on protect your account. And then from here, you're going to enter your password, and it's going to ask you to identify yourself by taking a photo of your ID card or any other government cards that you have that will prove that you are indeed a real user. And once that is done, that should solve your problem. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.